Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recharge coins on Mico. So let's get started. First, launch open your Mico application. Make sure you're logging to your Mico account. Now tap on the Me option. Tap on Recharge Coin option. And then select any one of the options that you prefer. Clear your payment and you'll be able to get coins on Mico. And this is how you can recharge coins on Mico. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.